Hey, this is Matt Gallimore, broker and auctioneer with United Country Blue Ridge Land and Auction. What we're going to do, we've got 6 broiler houses. These are poultry houses that have roosters in them, and we're actually going to sell these. There's 6 of them. They're 42 by 400 automatic feeders and waters, and this property is on about 20 acres. So you can go to blueridgelandandauction.com or ncauctionpro.com, and we have all the information that you need on this poultry farm and on the broiler houses. Have everything you need to know. The only thing that we haven't figured out yet is what came first, the chicken or the egg. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My name is Matt Gallimore. My phone number is 540-239-2585.